So I've been hearing so many things about Valentine's.
What happened?
I heard that one man bought his bae a car. Can we call that baker?
Will you keep quiet?
So I heard that one man also bought his boo a car.
And so what?
I was now wondering that can we call her Ebuka?
Jesus is Lord.
Continue.
Okay, so one girl was telling me that her bae left her before Valentine. I was not thinking that can we call that Begon?
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here. Too much.
Continue.
Okay, so one girl was telling me that the reason she didn't put her bae on her DP is because their relationship is low-key. So I was not thinking that can we call him Bello?
Aka Jehovah name